What if I told you that you could start regrowing your hair in just a few days, not with expensive treatments or harmful chemicals, but with ingredients you likely have in your kitchen right now? Big pharma and hair care giants have been keeping a secret from you. A simple truth they don't want you to know because it could destroy their billion-dollar industry overnight. Unlike commercial shampoos filled with chemicals that can harm your hair in the long run, our homemade remedy uses 4 magical ingredients. Each plays a crucial role in not just promoting hair growth, but also ensuring your hair stays healthy and vibrant. Let's get right into it. You will need 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary leaves, 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 cup of water. First, steep the rosemary leaves in boiling water for about 15 minutes to make a potent tea. Strain the leaves out and let the tea cool. In a bowl, whisk the egg thoroughly and mix in the aloe vera gel and olive oil. Then, combine this mixture with your cooled rosemary tea. Your homemade hair growth shampoo is ready. Using this shampoo is easy. Wet your hair, apply the shampoo, and massage it into your scalp for a few minutes to stimulate blood flow. Leave it on for about 5 minutes. Then rinse with cool water to avoid cooking the egg. Use it every day for the best results, and you'll start noticing a difference in just a few days. For an extra boost, wrap your hair in a warm towel while the shampoo sits. This opens up your hair follicles, allowing the nutrients to penetrate deeper. And remember, consistency is key. Pair this routine with a healthy diet and plenty of water for even more impressive results. Subscribe for more.